Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So, quick video, car insurance, specifically car insurance with hire car companies. Should you take out the insurance that a hire car company offers you? So, first of all, why are we having this conversation? Basically, it's because the insurance offered by the car insurance companies can double the price of your car rental, depending on the company. And if it doesn't double, it's going to be, could be quite close to that. So for example, I had a car from National at Stansted Airport. Not sure if the airport is relevant. Anyway, so I took the car and the lady at the desk said that the insurance would be 17 quid. So I said, oh, okay, why not? We'll get the excess down to zero for 17 quid. I get the bill at the end of the month from the credit card and it's, like 400, 500 pound or whatever it was. So I called them up and I said, look, you've overcharged me. And they go, no, the 17 quid was per day for the insurance. So I thought, wow, very expensive. So from that point onwards, I didn't bother with the insurance company's insurance because it's so expensive. Like I said, it can almost double the price of the total of the car rental. So what is the problem with not taking out their insurance in a car hire company? Well, basically you're liable for the first £1,000 or first €1,000 of any accident. So okay, if you don't have an accident, zero problem. You take the car out and maybe they'll take 200, 250 quid, euro, whatever the case may be from your card, like they'll reserve it, and then you take the car. So for many years, zero problems doing that. Never had an issue, never had the damage to hire car. Then a couple of years ago, we were waiting for an Indian, and the car was parked across the road, and when it was parked up, it was hit by the rear end of a lorry as it was turning. The back of the trailer hit the front of the car, damaged the fender, damaged the bumper, rah. So, long story short, even though the damage was a fender and a bumper, the hire car company, which in that case was Avis, they just took the whole 1,000. That was the standard. They said that is standard procedure. No matter what, no matter how small the damage, they're going to take the maximum. So that stung, obviously. But luckily, when the truck hit the car, we phoned the police. We had a police report. We had the policeman found the truck that night, took a statement from him. So we had a lot of ammunition. Long story short, it took a year, but we got the money back in the end. We didn't pay anything. But it was a year without that £1,000, and it was a year without knowing what would happen to that £1,000. Got to be honest, didn't it? I just thought that's the way hire companies operate. They'll just keep the money. So should you take out the insurance that they offer? Well, I suppose it depends how long you're going to take the car for. Because if the cost of their extra insurance is going to cost more than 1,000, i.e. you're going to take the car for, I don't know, a few months, for example, I suppose that would technically be a lease, then, there's no reason to take out their insurance if it's cheaper not to. What is going on here? We've got serious traffic issues. Serious traffic issues here at the file. It looks pretty. Is it chock-a-block in Chimiski? It is chock-a-block in Chimiski. Chock-a-block, guys. I can't do two things at once here. Too many things happening. Basically, I want to go in the right lane here, and I want to go in the right lane again, and I'm going to go straight up and avoid Chimiski. Looks like they've closed Chimiski anyway. So should you take it out? Well, obviously, if it's going to be cheaper not to take it out, then don't take it. But honestly, I'll cut a long story short. I'll tell you what I will do now, and that is There are companies that will insure you for the excess of the car insurance. So basically they'll insure you for the €1,000 that you might end up paying. And that is going to work out, well, depending on the insurance company, I think it's going to be around 20-30 quid. So I've come in this road and now they've blocked this road. What are they doing? So the last time I hired a car, that is what I did. I took out the insurance through the third party. I have got no idea if that's a good idea to do that, if it's worth doing, because I never had to make a claim the last time I did that. So obviously I can't tell you if that is the wise thing to do or not. I don't know what these people are like. I suppose you're still going to end up paying the €1,000 to the insurance company. And basically this insurance company, the only thing they're going to do then is, I'm talking about the ones that insure insure your excess with the hire car company. You're still going to end up paying out the $1,000 as standard, but they apparently will liaise with the insurance company if they need to, and then just get you your $1,000 back after you give them the paperwork showing that the hire car company has billed you £1,000 or €1,000 for the damage to the car. I'm not exactly sure how that would work, to be honest with you, because what if the insurance company wants to refund you because the damage to the car is like only 200? So once they've got everything sorted out, they have the quotes and they get the car fixed and they want to refund you 800. How does that work with the car insurance company? Where does that 800 go? Either way, you're going to lose £1,000 initially, and then you might get the money back with the one, you will get the money back with the other. So long story short, should you take out the insurance company that the hire car company offers? Depends how long you're going to take the car for. If you're going to take the car for 2, 3, 4 days, well, probably 2-3 days, I would probably just do that. But if you're going to be taking the car for 4 days or longer, then I would say it's probably a better idea to take out take out an insurance policy with an insurance company that offers insurance for the excess, and do that. You're still potentially going to be paying out $1,000 if anything happens to the car, but at least you're insured for that. Whereas you won't be insured if you didn't take out the insurance. So anyway, guys, enough rambling. Those are my thoughts on your car insurance for hire cars. As always, thank you for watching. Please vote in the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again next time.